Hi guys, welcome back to the Sauna Room. Before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. Turn on your post notification bell because we will be doing regular updates on the COVID virus here in Jamaica. Now, it is confirmed that we have 10 positive cases of the coronavirus here in Jamaica. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is reporting that 2 new cases of COVID virus is confirmed on the island. Now, the last time we gave you an update, it was 8 cases. Now it's 2 more, so that makes it 10. This is following the results from the National Influenza Centre, where 19 tests were conducted in the last 24 hours. 17 of the cases tested were negative. The country is now at a total of 10 confirmed cases. One of the new cases was identified through contact tracing relating to the index case of patient 1, while the second patient presented at hospital with a travel history to Trinidad and Tobago had symptoms similar to COVID-19. Both were isolated and samples collected and tested. The 17 other patients were tested negative, including persons who are from Kingston and St. Anne, Clarendon, and who were identified through contact trace from confirmed cases, where a similar protocol was observed and isolated and tested. Up to Saturday, March 14, 2020, 27 patients were in isolation facility. They remained stable, including patient number 1 and 2 who no longer have symptoms. Patients whose test results were negative will be released shortly. The minister wishes to remind all persons who suspect they have an exposure to COVID-19 or displaying symptoms to isolate themselves immediately and contact the Ministry of Health. This is the health line number, guys. It is 888-1-LOVE. So that is 888-663-5686 or 888-754-7792, and they will give you all the information that you need, and they will give you instructions on what you need to do. Guys, keep safe. Remember to sanitize. You can use regular soap to sanitize yourself, carbolic soap. You don't have to use hand sanitizers. You can wash your hands. You can use rubbing alcohol, and leave a comment below on the situation, and we will keep you up to date of what is happening. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get regular updates, and you don't know the Sauna Room, where we are keeping up to date with everything while going to Jamaica and Jamaicans.